Va a llevar al frente de Billy,
Hey
me voy yo,
guys,
César, el
back in
camino
my
sola.
Grab a vlog, and today we're gonna be doing Dollar
Okay,
Tree
el
slam
perro lo
shopping
llevaron.
to shopping for stuff. So before you get this video started, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Ay, yo no voy a
Guys,
sola.
you already have all this stuff. Grandma, look it. They
Let
have,
me see if it's the one the lady got.
They have-
Ours has blue.
yeah. I get them ran out. Look, they have foam.
I'm not buying that.
It's not foam.
I'm going home to go sit in the freaking living room.
Just kidding. It's snow. Look, it's snow.
That's why. Right then. You only gonna get that one or get this one with the butterflies too?
All right then.
All you thinking about is making them that stupid glue thing.
No, I'm not. So then we have 3 holidays in the middle of this year. We have Harvesting Week, which is
If
Thanksgiving.
they have the wings here, get them because you wanted wings too.
I know they don't have that at Michael's, but I think they do have it.
They have it here too because she
What?
bought them here.
Oh, remember I was one of these before?
Yeah.
How old was I when I was that? I wasn't that.
This way.
I wasn't that old. We shouldn't even bake them up and subscribe. Oh my God, I'm not ready for Christmas. You are?
Not at all.
I think no one is. This one. Look, Grandma. Now they just sell it like these.
For $1 that's not bad.
I want like 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, because you just bought $20 worth of stuff. Everything in your slip. Oh, beautiful.
I'm excited for Christmas, but not like that excited because there's no one ever coming when we have Halloween parties or anything like
I'll tell
that.
your mother we in Dollar Tree.
Nah, she gonna come over here. I'm getting like 5 of them. 5 of them is good. Okay, so they like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No, that's too much. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's $5. Okay. I was counting the numbers inside the boxes. I got 5 of them because I already have.
No, we're not buying 5. I told you, don't we slip?
Alright, I got 4 of them.
Yeah, we're in Dollar Tree.
Okay, that's good enough. So we got everything. We got bowls, mixy cookies. So like, I'm gonna get like I want to make spider slime. Tell her I just bought a pair of shoes.
We're in the darkness.
And
I know they have some kind of birthday, right? All she thinking about is freaking glue. No.
we're not doing.
Because she could have gone with me downtown on the train, up and down.
The trains don't
Go
work.
ahead, the trains work. Yes, they work.
They're working for different priorities.
Now tomorrow when Arnold comes from work, I'm gonna fucking bounce on y'all.
Okay.
Like I said, I was gonna let that fair go without me going. Glue! Glue, I'm up behind.
Oh, they have spider webs. That's what's creepy. Okay, I'm trying to look for the wings that one we had. So we just went to Payless, and now there's no wings. So I'm just trying to look for them. See if they're here. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. This is so creepy. Oh my god. Let's go scare my grandma. Alright, let's go this way. Alright, so we gotta skip that. I warned you not to come around.
¿Ah?
She didn't get scared. She's just talking to my grandma.
La árabe que está atrás, mira, está como usted ve. Mira.
I told you I needed you.
I'm not buying that.
I know, I'm just putting it over the air.
Ya le gustó.
I
Ya
need
está,
you.
Ya trabaja aquí, celo. Dale, Chuy. Una trabaja aquí. Que le gustó cuando te vio así.
I'm gonna make a box for it.
El pañuelo. Sí. Este dale, Chuy, acá tienen más cosas. En el de la gente 17.
They have so many Halloween
Esta cosa es
stuff.
Halloween y eso.
Sorry.
No, man, la 117 y tercera. So, Dollar Tree, como la tienda peso.
I was thinking we could take over the
Ah,
world.
mira esta, que no quería downtown conmigo.
Look.
Mira, después que está vestida,
I'm a witch now. I am a spooky witch.
hold your phone, Serenity.
I like this. This is cute, right? That woman talks too
She's
much.
saying, why you don't want to go with me?
I didn't say that.
Que no quiere ir para downtown.
I don't want to know downtown. If you guys know downtown, it's
Yo
horrible.
mañana voy, cuando venga el ONU me voy.
It's just disgusting. Oh, she gets on my nerves. Just hang up.
Talking to you, Serenity.
Just
Stop.
hang up the phone.
Uh-huh.
Hang it up. Look how many glue stuff they got. That's mad money. That's like one. I would buy all those bottles of glue, but I'm not 100% like put one back and then take the rest because then you're not gonna bother me anymore with those things. So I'm like, okay, then I'm just gonna get like that money, and that's it. And then we can go home and do whatever we're gonna do. Guys, straight up. Got full beats here. They should have like got full beats.
¿Verdad? Ajá. Y ella que...
Oh my god, guys. Grandma, look at this. Where is it? Grandma, look at this. Look at what they... It's so small. Wait a minute, can you tell me why I'm carrying this? I'm carrying my broom and my stick. Huh, Grandma? Can you tell me why I'm carrying this?
I don't know, put it back. Chacho, esto está lleno aquí.
Yo, Grandma, that bird is still in here. Look, it's still in here. Over a week, look.
Aquí hay una paloma, lleva meses aquí metida.
Yo, that bird is still here. Yo, there's a... No.
Una paloma, una paloma. Oh, no. Yo no estoy comprando nada.
You guys don't see it anymore?
Hey.
It's following me around here.
Ajá.
Tell me if you see it in the background.
Anejo.
That bird hasn't left.
¿Qué más?
It's been here for like 4 months already.
Ah.
Oh, Grandma! Look, I found them.
Llévale 3 hamburguesas.
Look, these are the ones you were talking about, weren't you?
No, bigger. Estos hamburgues que el Brandon
They're
le
good
gusta.
enough. They're good enough. There's time
No,
containers.
para llevarle 3.
Why only 2?
Burgers.
Yeah,
No. Huh?
I said why only 2 of these?
Because y'all don't eat it, that's why.
Of course we do. They're burgers. Who doesn't eat burgers?
You.
Well, vegetarians don't eat burgers, obviously.
We could have been down there already. Huh?
Yo, look, it's over there. Look, it's gonna come back around. Look, it's gonna come back around.
Ah.
Heck is it?
No, está moviéndose.
I don't want to fly around now.
Dale,
I'm trying to catch this on I'm trying to catch the bird on camera. I didn't see the bird. Like, if you guys saw it, then let me know. Now we don't want to come around. Just wants to wait there.
How you doing? All right, and you?
Where's
Sí,
that
yo no
ball?
voy a ponernos en casa 2 3 símbolos, hermano.
Give it, if you guys haven't already subscribed and give it a big thumbs up and
Me voy a
turn on
poner
those
nacas,
notifications
Brandon.
so you guys can have 5 type of
Ahora mismo que
My daily outfit.
conmigo no, yo
I bought some shoes and we're just like here. I got the blues, the containers. We
Yo
got the
compré uno de
activators at
estos de
home.
pedra para
Para activar.
bebérmelo y de peach. Todavía está en la nevera.
Yeah.
Aquí
see you
tiene
guys
muchas
later.
cosas.
Because I'm gonna end the video actually because I'm tired.
Carga el nada, los que vienen sin nada para la nevera.
I'll save my batteries. So.
Ni un peso, te lo juro por Dios.